Ceci's already up here. Ceci is the Executive Director of EverThrive, Illinois. My name is Adani Sanchez. I'm the Client Services Coordinator here at Healthcare Consumers. And I'd like to talk to you guys about the work that Ceci does at EverThrive, Illinois. The Illinois Disciples Foundation Movement Building Award honors the organizations and individuals that actively work to build social justice movements. Tonight, we recognize EverThrive, Illinois with this award for fostering collaboration, providing support, and fighting like crazy to protect the advances in healthcare brought about by the Affordable Care Act. EverThrive pushes for an Illinois that, quote, works towards equity and social justice, fosters the development of healthy families, and provides fair access to quality healthcare, the basic rights of all human beings. EverThrive has consistently been at the forefront of efforts to protect and improve healthcare in Illinois for many years. Some of you may recognize EverThrive by their former name, the Illinois Maternal and Child Health Coalition. We actually first worked closely with EverThrive on legislation to improve Medicaid managed care provider directories. EverThrive's Alicia Ciani and Nadine Israel let us know about every step of the way of advocating for House Bill 6213, sharing notes from meetings, asking for our feedback, because they recognize that we're working on the front lines with consumers every day, and we could contribute that on-the-ground perspective. Alicia and Nadine worked very closely with me to prepare me for providing testimony on this bill at a legislative hearing. It was my first time, and their guidance and support was immensely helpful. EverThrive worked very closely with our own state representative, Carol Ammons, to sponsor the legislation, and Representative Ammons is also an award recipient this evening, so you'll be hearing more about her later. Thanks to the collaboration with EverThrive and all their hard work to make Medicaid managed care work better for consumers, and thanks to the leadership of Representative Ammons, the bill sailed through the committee and eventually became law here in Illinois. And following last November's national elections, whenever the fate of the ACA seems to be up in the air, EverThrive reaches out to ask us if we need anything. They helped us gather information and data that we can then share with our representatives and fellow constituents in the Illinois 13th and 15th congressional districts. They joined and helped lead the coalition with other organizations across the state to protect our care. And then they actually do the work. They continuously share information with the public through panels, through data, resources, policy analysis for other people to use. And we depend on those emails from Kathy Walagora. We depend on her to stay up to date, up to the minute. And as EverThrive staff see us working to protect the ACA and Medicaid, again, they reach out directly to us to offer support to our organization and others working on the issues. They're always available to answer questions about state-level policies, movement on state or federal legislation, no matter how detailed or complicated our questions are. To build a movement, it takes many things, and communities need support. We can't be everywhere at once, and communities need leadership and guidance they can trust from organizations willing to take a stand and speak out publicly against policies that hurt our community. So, Ms. Nyman, thank you so much. Thank you, EverThrive, and all of your amazing staff, including Alicia Ciani and Nadine Israel, for building, supporting, and leading the movement for healthcare justice and access. As things move quickly at the state and national level, organizations like EverThrive Illinois will be even more essential to protecting our care. On behalf of Champaign County healthcare consumers, I'm honored to present the Illinois Disciples Foundation Movement Building Award to EverThrive Illinois.